The purpose of this video is to walk you through how to find any items that you may have accidentally deleted in your Canvas course. So here is my Canvas course. I've made sure that I'm on my home page, and right up here in the address bar, you would simply have to do a little backslash and then type in the words undelete and then press enter. When you do that in your address bar, it pulls up any items that you may have deleted in your Canvas course. And you would go through this long list, and it could even tell you when it was created and last updated, and say, oh, okay, this is it. This is the assignment or discussion topic that I didn't mean to delete. So if you look at your deleted items, it has the title of the item, and it also has the subject matter underneath, kind of like, what category is this? Oh, this one's an announcement. This is considered a discussion topic. And if I keep scrolling down, this is a group assignment. This is an assignment group. And it has all of these items that have been deleted. And you simply would find the item that you accidentally deleted and click Restore. And then it will prompt you with, or you want to restore this assignment, you would say, okay. And then when you're ready to go back to your home page, you would just go up to the address bar and you would backspace or and erase the slash undelete, and then you will hit enter on your keyboard. And now you are brought back to your home page. And if I go into my assignments, I scroll down, I can see that my assignment has been re-added and right now is considered unpublished. So that way it allows you to go in and make any edits and then publish it when you're ready for your students to view any of your restored items. So I thought this is a really great trick for anyone to learn